Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make tomato vermicelli shrimp ball soup. This is one of my favorite soup recipes. Hope you will like it too. So now let's start cooking. We first need to use hot water to soak the vermicelli for half an hour. We also need to prepare some tomatoes. Cut the tomatoes like this. Pour some hot water onto the tomatoes and let them soak for a short time. Now peel the tomatoes. Cut them into small pieces. Prepare the pan and add some cooking oil to it. Put the tomato into the pan. Stir fry until it melts. Add some water into the pan. Now we need to wait until it boils. So in the meantime, we can peel some shrimps. Don't forget to get rid of the shrimp knife. Smash the shrimps like this and then mash them. Now add 1 egg white, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of white pepper powder, some starch. Keep on mixing until it becomes viscous. Then make it into small balls like this. When the soup boils, put the shrimp balls into the pan. The shrimp balls will change color really fast. Then we can add the soaked vermicelli. Add half teaspoon of salt, 1 spoon of soy sauce. Let it cook for around 5 minutes. In the end, chop some scallions and add them into the soup. Just like this, it is ready. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I'll see you guys soon.